Do you ever sit down to study and after 5 minutes your mind is already somewhere else? Your phone is in your hand. Tabs are open. Motivation is gone. You start blaming yourself. You think you're lazy, but the truth is simple. Your brain is just out of shape. And just like your body, your brain needs training. Today, I'll show you 4 simple brain exercises that students around the world use to improve focus, memory, and mental clarity. No motivation speeches, no long routines, just things you can try today. Think of this like a short mental gym session. Let's train your brain. First exercise. Have you noticed how your eyes jump everywhere when you read or study? That's not a willpower problem. That's untrained attention. This exercise fixes that. It's called the Schultz table. It's a grid of random numbers from 1 to 25. Your task is to find the numbers in order as fast as you can. This trains your visual focus, attention span, and processing speed. Your brain learns how to stay locked in. Here's how to do it. Search Schultz table on Google. Start a timer. Find numbers from 1 to 25 without pointing or moving your head. Just 2 minutes a day. After a week, reading feels smoother. Your eyes feel less tired. Focus improves. Second exercise. This one feels strange at first. Do simple tasks with your eyes closed. When you remove vision, your brain activates other systems. Memory, spatial awareness, body control. Try brushing your teeth with your eyes closed. Walk slowly inside your room. Organize objects by touch. 1 to 3 minutes is enough. You'll feel more present, more aware, less mentally scattered. Third exercise. Use your non-dominant hand. If you're right-handed, use your left. If you're left-handed, use your right. This forces your brain to create new neural pathways. It increases brain flexibility and learning speed. Start small. Brush your teeth. Scroll your phone. Write your name. 5 minutes a day is enough. It will feel uncomfortable. That's growth. Fourth exercise. This one trains self-control. You'll see color words written in different colors. Your job is to say the color, not the word. If the word says red but the color is blue, you say blue. This trains focus, decision-making, and mental control. The same skills you need to stop scrolling and start studying. Search Stroop test and try it for 2 to 3 minutes. Stay calm. Don't rush. Here's the simple daily structure. Morning, 2 minutes of the Schultz table. Afternoon, 5 minutes using your non-dominant hand. Evening, 2 minutes of blindfold tasks. Night, 2 minutes of the color test. Less than 15 minutes a day. Listen carefully. If you feel tired, distracted, or stuck, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means you've been pushing without training your mind, and that can change. You don't need more motivation. You need mental strength. Train your brain like a muscle. Focus will follow. If this helped you, like the video and share it with someone who struggles with focus. Subscribe for more simple tools to upgrade your mind. You're not behind. You're just getting started. See you in the next one.